what's up? It's the day after my birthday. And I got this for my birthday. And I want to build it. Not much else to the intro, but that. Let's build it. No! That's not, that shouldn't be on the ground. Kind of a lot of bags. No, just a few. Out of the way. This is the Viking village. So, I need the info about it. Let's set 21343, 2,103 pieces. And it'll look pretty snazzy when it's done. It's supposed to look like this. So, there is 15 bags, it looks like. Let's just start. Where's bag one? Where's that one? Oh, that's right. I'm just making a speed build today. But here is the set. This is section 1 of 3 sections. It's this part. Got the little tree. Anyways, you can take off the roof of the little house. There's a little chimney. And if you want to make the fire go higher, you just push down on this. And the fire rises. So, yeah, it's cool. Alright, and now we finished the chieftain's thing, I guess. So, just give you a quick little show. There's a little door inside. Turn on the lights. You can turn the lights off and on. See, look. Lights on, lights off. Lights on, lights off. You can take off the roof very easily. There's no, like, things. It's just, like, a legal building technique. And now here's what it looks like on the inside. Very simple. Let's continue building. Onto the tower. This is how big the box is. 3, 2, 1. So here it is, completely finished, compared to a 10-year-old, a small 10-year-old. It's pretty big. It's nice to look at in person. There's the tower right here with a little bridge, the chieftain's palace, and the forge. There's little stairs up to that. On the back, there's actually a cave. You can open. You can take off these two roofs to play, and you can take off the wall on the back of the tower. And there's a little cave right below the tower. Now, if you had a good eye and spotted the Viking ship right next to the Viking village, I'm sorry, but that is a discontinued set that I already have. It's a separate set. The Viking ship. We won't go into that, but I just thought it would look nice next to the Viking village. But yeah, that's it. And some cute stairs. I like those. See? Boop, boop, boop. Boop, 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 boop. Alright. That's it, guys. I hope you liked the speed build. And I'll see you guys next time in another speed build.